This is an instructional video about relative frequency or experimental probability. So first up, let me define the word experimental probability. So experimental probability uses collected data, and it's often just what we want over the total. So for example, say I had an experiment where I had a coin where I did heads and tails, and I flipped heads 23 times and tails 27 times. So what is the experimental probability of tails? Well, first I need to find my total, because what I have to use is I have to use my collected data, which is in that table. Total is 23 plus 27, which is 50, and the number of what I want is tails, which is 27, so your fraction is 27 over 50. Now, sometimes, and you notice here in the EQ, it says relative frequency. So in other words, it's the same thing as experimental probability. We use collected data to find it. And so there are going to be cases where it's going to use the relative frequency and then use the experimental probability. They mean the exact same thing. And there you go. That is how you find relative frequency.